Hi, today we will be learning Ren Lai on the ukulele. We will start off with a tutorial to show you how to play this song, followed by a demonstration of the piece. Have a delightful time playing this song.
Alright, so this song begins, on your second string open string, okay, followed by your third string second fret in the third string open string, okay. So the first two bars goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and the third bar goes like that, starting from your second string open string to your second string third fret, second string open string, third string open string, and third string second fret. E, G, E, C, D. So it goes like that: E, G, E, C, D, 2, 3, 4. Remember to hold that note for 4 counts. Alright, and now to the second line. The next note is D, which is your third string second fret. Ready, and here you go. 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So make sure you remember to get ready with your second string third fret using your third finger being your ring finger. Alright, so from bar number 5, ready, third string second fret. Here we go, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last 2 bars to take it home, starting from your second string open string. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And one more time. The last 2 bars, bar 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, go. 4. Okay, and you can play the whole song. Now, ready? It goes 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3.